Marion County 911. Where's the location of your emergency?
Harding and Morris, the intersection. 2-vehicle crash with airbags deployed.
Do you think we need an ambulance sent out there?
I'm not sure. It could be.
Okay, yes or no? Do you think I should send them?
Yes.
Okay, stay on the line. Let me get the medics on the line.
Okay. We have a
You
police.
said airbags were deployed?
Yes, we now have a police officer at the intersection.
This is fire and ambulance. What's the location of the emergency?
We're at Harding and Morris. 2-vehicle collision with airbag deployed.
And everyone involved is able to get out of the vehicles, correct?
I do not see anybody out of one of the vehicles, but there's a police officer on the scene now.
Okay, but if they needed to, they could get out of like the other side. They're not trapped in it.
Yes.
To be cut out, though,
Yes.
correct?
There's front end damage on one and side damage on the other, but the other sides are clear.
Okay, we do have them on the way. Just make sure they don't move around. If they're bleeding, use a clean, dry cloth, put it over the wound and apply pressure.
Okay.
If it becomes soaked, don't remove it. Just add more cloth to it and have them tell the medics their medications.
All right.
But we've already received a phone call for it, and they're on the way. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir? Okay, did you witness the accident or were you just driving by?
I just came up and both the vehicles are sitting in the intersection, so.
Okay, what's your name, sir? And the phone number you're calling me from, Mr. Elliott? Okay, we will get, I'll update the officers that are there. Thanks
All right.
for calling.
Thank you.
Call ended.